Some used Mazda CX-5 model years are going to run past 200,000 miles without breaking a sweat, but others are carrying engine cracks, safety recalls, and electrical failures that are capable of turning a great deal into a five-figure nightmare. If you are shopping for a used CX-5 right now, knowing the difference is going to save you thousands of dollars. Here are the Mazda CX-5 years to avoid and the years that are going to run forever. Let's start with the problem years, the ones that are going to cost you far more than their sticker price suggests. Number 3, 2014 Mazda CX-5. Picture this. You park the car, shut the engine off, walk away, and come back to a completely dead battery. No warning, no explanation. You're going to need a jump start just to get home, and it is going to happen again tomorrow. That is the reality for a significant number of 2014 CX-5 owners, and the cause is buried in the center console where most buyers are never going to look. Inside the shifter assembly, a small rubber cushion is responsible for depressing the range switch contacts when the lever moves into park. Over time, that rubber is degrading and shearing off. When the driver shuts the engine off, the body control module is failing to receive confirmation that the transmission is in park. Therefore, the electrical accessory system is staying on, quietly draining the battery. Because Mazda is handling this through a technical service bulletin rather than a formal recall, many used examples have never had the fix applied, and the repairs running between $250 and $350. On top of that, front rotors are warping as early as 25,000 miles. The touchscreen is suffering from delamination, and windshield cracks are appearing near the rear-view mirror bracket. At the prices where most used 2014 examples are sitting today, those repair costs are going to eliminate any savings fast. The 2014 is bad enough, but the next year on this list is worse, and the reason comes down to something far more dangerous than a dead battery. Number 2, 2016 Mazda CX-5. Most buyers find a clean 2016 CX-5 at an attractive price. The headlights look fine at the dealership and they drive home feeling good. But 6 months later, one headlight is flickering, then it goes out, then the other one follows. The repair bill that follows is going to erase that good feeling immediately. The 2016 should be arriving as the most polished version of the first-generation KE platform, but instead, it is carrying some of the most serious safety recalls in CX-5 history. The LED daytime running lights on Grand Touring models are using a high-sulfur sealing gasket that is outgassing sulfur into the sealed headlight housing under normal operating temperatures. That sulfur is reacting with the silver-plated circuit traces on the LED control board, producing corrosion that is killing the DRLs. And because the module is sealed as a non-serviceable unit, a single diode failure is requiring a full headlight assembly replacement at over $1,000 per side. But that is only the beginning. A fuel filler pipe recall is affecting over 265,000 vehicles, where rear collisions are causing the pipe to rupture and create a fire risk. A separate campaign is addressing loose front strut fasteners that are backing out under normal vibration, therefore leading to steering knuckle separation and sudden loss of steering control. A third recall is targeting corroded liftgate struts that are dropping the heavy liftgate without warning. The 2016 is carrying all of these at once, but the number 1 worst year is in a different category entirely, and the repair bill attached to it is going to make the 2016 look manageable. Number 1, 2018 Mazda CX-5. Imagine buying a used CX-5 at a great price. Low miles, clean history. Then, around the 60,000 mile mark, the oil warning light comes on, and there's a fresh puddle of oil at the back of the engine block. The estimate that follows is going to be one of the worst surprises in compact SUV ownership. And it is not a fluke. It is a design flaw. The 2018 model is introducing a cylinder deactivation system to the 2.5-liter Skyactiv G engine, shutting down cylinders 1 and 4 during highway cruising. But cycling between 2-cylinder and 4-cylinder operation is generating intense thermal gradients inside the cast aluminum cylinder head, and the temperature difference between the exhaust passages and the coolant jackets is exceeding the fatigue limits of the material. The result is hairline cracking between cylinders 2 and 3, a severe oil leak on naturally aspirated models, internal coolant leaks on turbocharged variants, and eventually catastrophic engine failure. Repairs are sitting between $7,000 and $10,000, with no formal NHTSA recall to cover out-of-warranty owners. On top of that, another recall is affecting over 260,000 vehicles, a PCM software error causing rocker arms to slip during cylinder reactivation, producing misfires and stalling at highway speeds. For a model year appearing at tempting price points across used car lots, the 2018 is carrying enough risk to make almost any other year the smarter call. Those are the years to avoid, but now let's get to the CX-5 years that are actually going to earn their keep, starting with the one that proves a budget pick can still be bulletproof. Number 3, 2015 Mazda CX-5. Most affordable used CX-5 Years are either carrying early-generation bugs or sitting squarely in recall territory. The 2015 is the exception, landing cleanly between the electrical problems of the 2014 and the recall storm of the 2016. And that positioning is going to matter across a long ownership period. This is the mechanical peak of the first-generation KE platform. The 2.5-liter Skyactiv G is running a 13.0 to 1 compression ratio with direct injection, producing 184 horsepower and 185 pound-feet of torque, and doing it without cylinder deactivation, without integrated exhaust manifold heads, and without turbocharger heat loads. The powertrain is proven and easy to maintain, with many examples surpassing 200,000 miles on original major components. A 5-star NHTSA safety rating, IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus status, and an 85% consumer recommendation rating on Kelley Blue Book are all confirming what the ownership record is already showing. For budget buyers, the 2015 is the answer. But if the budget stretches further, the next year on this list is going to deliver something no earlier CX-5 has managed. Number 2, 2020 Mazda CX-5. There is a familiar frustration in the used market. You find the right price, but the safety features you actually want are locked behind a higher trim. You end up either overspending or settling. The 2020 CX-5 is solving that problem directly, and by 2020, Mazda has the KF platform fully under control. 0 recalls for this model year, and the full iActive Sense safety suite is now standard across every trim, including the base Sport. Blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, lane keep assist, and radar cruise control with stop and go are all coming standard, not reserved for higher configurations. Mazda is also adding acoustic laminated front glass, expanded floor damping, and revised door seals to address the long-standing cabin noise complaint. The JD Power Score is climbing to 85 out of 100, and Consumer Reports is naming Mazda the most reliable brand overall that year. The 2020 is a strong choice, but wait until you hear what the number 1 year is, guaranteeing that no previous CX-5 has ever offered every buyer by default. Number 1, 2022 Mazda CX-5. Most SUV buyers know the feeling. Roads turn slippery, conditions change fast, and suddenly you're very aware of how much grip the vehicle underneath you actually has. That moment of uncertainty is exactly what the 2022 CX-5 is eliminating, and it is doing it across every single trim level for the first time in the nameplate's history. The mid-cycle KF refresh is removing front-wheel drive from the US lineup entirely. All 8 trim levels are coming standard with Mazda's proactive iActive all-wheel drive, monitoring wheel speed, steering angle, engine torque, and wiper activity to shift power to the rear axle before slip occurs, not after. Suspension mounting rigidity is increasing. Damping valves are retuned for finer road absorption, and the front seats are redesigned for better pelvic support on longer drives. 0 active recalls, a reliability index score of 87 out of 100, and standard all-wheel drive on every configuration. The 2022 is going to be the year long-term owners look back on as the clearest decision they made. So, to bring it all together, the 2014 is draining batteries and warping rotors. The 2016 is carrying headlight corrosion, fuel system fire risks, and steering failures across multiple major recalls. And the 2018 is sitting on a cylinder head cracking problem that is leaving out-of-warranty owners with bills approaching $10,000 and no formal recall to lean on. On the other side, the 2015 is delivering a proven powertrain and class-leading safety scores at a price that is hard to beat. The 2020 is standardizing a full driver assistance suite with a 0 recall track record, and the 2022 is going further than any CX-5 before it, with standard all-wheel drive, structural refinements, and the most dependable platform the nameplate has ever produced. The CX-5 is one of the best used compact SUVs on the market, but only if you are picking the right year. Now, if you're looking for a new car with such impressive reliability, the first thing that comes to mind is, once again, an SUV from Mazda. This time, we are talking about the CX-50, so make sure to check out our video that explains each trim level available for 2027. No mainstream SUV combines luxury and driving engagement in such a way, let alone excellent reliability score and some of the best powertrain options on the market.